do solemnly swear that I will marry the natural allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will serve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, so help me God.
Please hold. Father, Son, Mrs. Siminalayi, please step forward. Yes.
Let me congratulate the newly sworn in commissioners. The judge said, uphold and defend the Constitution. I will wish you well, that in your coming back, stand for justice, stand for the interests of our dear state. That is the purpose of your appointment, and that is the truth. I can see how heavy your hearts are. That is the truth. But I assure you that I don't have anything against any one of you. That is the truth. You were caught in between the crossfire. Our advice, give in your best. Like I said the first time, let this state and posterity remember you for what is good.